Dit is Peach. Daisy. Mandy. Mario. Hey, Wonder. Hallo? Hey. Oh. ¿Qué zo wat zien? ¿Qué zo wat zien? Hey, joh. Oh. Maar het is hier gelukkig weer een beetje droeger. Want het had heel erg geregend de laatste dagen. En sinds Joert of Juster is het weer een stuk droeger. Sorry. Hey. Daar komt Yveske aan. Hey Yveske. Hoi. Heel dichtbij. Dus heel dichtbij. Ja. Hey. Oh. Hey Wonder. Hoi. Kijk maar. Tingram. Hey, hallo. Wat? Hey Uniek. Dat is een verkeerde ma'am. Daar is Reintje. Dat is die mem. Hey Coralle. Hallo? Mooi. Hey. Hallo. Doei. Hey Yveske. Hey Yveske. Vooral? Hey. Sorry. Hey. Sta je rein. Sta je rein. Dat is Sjirkje en Tjalbert. Hi. I do it in English again. I'm now at Stal G, and unfortunately, sorry, I can't be here every day. But if I'm here, it feels so good. It's so nice to be here, and I just walked to the horses, and I saw a bird who almost never is here. But he flew away. I see him. I try to show you, and I really don't know what's the English name, but in the Netherlands we say een lepelaar. So I think like there it is. It's a lepelaar. And that's Frieda and Wimmie. But I think it's beautiful to watch all those birds who are here next to the horses, of course. Hey, this is Marije. Yeah, hello. And last week Mathilde did go to the training stable, so maybe she goes to the inspection. Hey, it's Geertje. Hi. That's an kiwiet. I also don't know the English word. I can't film like this. Okay. That's yours. Oh, bye. I think I see this bird only once a year or something. Bye. I also want to go to Sjirkje. Oops. Hey, Geertje. Well, normally Ginny is also here, but Ginny is inside. It's because Jacobine and Yvonne are also inside. That's a schoolekster. Okay. I try to walk over this. Yes. Yes. That's a nice feeling. Last year I couldn't do this, and this year I didn't do it because every now and then I'm a bit dizzy. So I thought I'd just do it, and I succeed. Perfect. Who's there? Hey. He's scared of, of my phone. That's you. It's Willem. Hey, kom eens. Is dat eng? He's scared of himself. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. Ja, goed zo. Ja, goed zo. He's such a sweetie because he get a lot of attention from Oda and others. Because Oda is the owner of Hester now, his mom, and She rides a lot and cuddles a lot. And so Willem has a lot of attention too. Yeah. Oh. Ja. Nee. I go to Hester. Hey. Hester. Oh, there. That's Frieda. And here we have. Come eens. Oh, she's also scared. It's just my phone. Kom eens. Hey, goed zo. Hallo? Ja. This is Wimmie. Kom maar, Wimmie. Goed zo. Don't be scared. Goed zo. And yes, there are a lot of flies. Oh, there's Mom. Hey, Frieda. Hey. Goed zo. Hey, Frieda. Hallo? And now I go to the others. I hope it's not too windy and you understand what I say. But we have Yildo and Gaia on the other side of this pasture. The foals are a bit younger and that's why they are separated. Yildo, Gaia. This is Senna. That's Wietse. Is sleeping. I just let them sleep. Well, I'm happy to see the horses again. It has been a couple of days. Oh, my Engels. So I like to see the horses again. I hope you too. Oh, there's another horse I see. That's Reintje. I go to them.